find her in a pair of flip-flops, hanging her feet off a Gator Joe's dock, watching the tide roll in and the time pass by. Or you might find her in some old work boots, helping her daddy work the cattle chutes. It's just another day in a Florida girl's life. Yeah, she's a Key West sunset, half beach bum, half redneck, chillin' out to Buffett or jamming to Merle. She drives them Gainesville boys insane, and Panama City knows her by name. There ain't no doubt I love my Florida girl. Her skin's been kissed by the July sun, her long tan legs are sure burning me up when we're riding down 301 and she's by my side. She's a sucker for a long walk on Daytona Beach, but she's riding home under some tall oak trees. Loving on me got me about to lose my mind. Yeah, she's a Key West sunset, half beach bum, half redneck, chillin' out to Buffett or jamming to Merle. She drives them Gainesville boys insane, and Panama City knows her by name. There ain't no doubt I love my Florida girl. Yeah, her mama's a Gator, her daddy's a Noel. The November game is her Super Bowl. Yeah, she's a Key West sunset, half beach bum, half redneck, chillin' out to Buffett or jamming to Merle. She drives them Gainesville boys insane, and Panama City knows her by name. There ain't no doubt I love my Florida